My name is Elion Yashari, and I'm going to talk about some issues for the youth, including unemployment, and the pollution here in Tetovo is massive. So what we should do in order to The most important thing for the youth to understand is that you do not let them mute you no matter what.